Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cleansing your face and the stainless steel gua sha to prevent irritation. This is why hygiene matters. Once done, apply a thin layer of oil or serum so the tool glides without pulling. Use about 1/2 to 1 full pump. Hold the gua sha flat, between 15 and 30 degrees, and place it against the skin. Start with short, outward strokes along the jaw and cheeks, using light pressure to sense the tissue before increasing intensity. Once you've covered the basics, move into targeted techniques that sculpt and drain. You use the gua sha's different edges purposefully: the comb or toothed edge on the jawline, the concave curve under the eye, and the broad flat side across the cheeks. Make 5 to 10 gentle passes per area, always following lymphatic drainage toward the neck to reduce puffiness. Make sure to adjust pressure. Be lighter on thin or sensitive skin, and firmer on the cheek and neck where tissue tolerates. To finish, perform a series of upward, lifting strokes across the face. Then sweep the neck downward toward the clavicle to clear lymphatic pathways. This seals the work you've done. After use, clean the stainless steel gua sha with soap or 70% alcohol, rinse, dry thoroughly, and store in a dry case to preserve finish. If you notice prolonged redness, bruising, or pain, stop immediately. Apply a cool compress, skip treatment for a few days, and reduce pressure on your next session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.